Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Kali Linux 2025.3. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. First open terminal. Now verify if there is any MySQL is installed or not. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See MariaDB installed. Okay, so first we have to uninstall it, or if you just want to use this MariaDB, just you need to start by using sudo systemctl start MariaDB. Okay, otherwise I am going to uninstall and install MySQL Server. Sudo apt purge MariaDB start, hit enter. It is typo. You see, it is going to remove these many packages. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Remove all MariaDB databases. Select yes and hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status of the MySQL again. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, there is no service. Before you were having MariaDB. Now it is gone. Now download and install MySQL. Open any web browser. Now go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then select MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43, 8.4.6, 9.4.0. In this video we are going to download and install 8.0.43. Then select the operating system. I am going to select Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version. I am going to select the latest version because I am on Kali Linux latest version. See here, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes and it is star file. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and we will install all Debian packages. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43. Okay, it is star file. So untar it. Just give MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies. Sudo apt install macapp-ipad utf8 libaio-dev. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, type and hit enter. I will keep this command in the video description. Ctrl A, ls. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i, then start.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter, confirm the same. Hit enter, select OK by using tabs and hit enter. Select default authentication plugin. Use strong password encryption or use legacy authentication method. It is up to you. I am going to select legacy authentication method, then select OK and hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is active and running, but it is disabled. So enable it. Sudo systemctl enable MySQL. See, we have successfully enabled. Let us verify again. See, MySQL service is enabled. Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root, then -p. Then provide the password of this root account that we have set at the time of installation. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.43. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, we have connected to MySQL server 8.0.43. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. So switch to database, we have to run the command or the keyword use, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify tables in this database. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. We have successfully created table. Let us verify the same. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installations. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. MySQL -u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database back because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on Kali Linux 2025. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. If you want to restart, just give same sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on Kali Linux. ls these files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm start.deb, this will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. ls we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, press the tab to autofill, enter tar file name, hit enter. So okay, ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to Install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Kali Linux 2025.3. For more MySQL or Kali Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.